Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Bulaga! Hello everyone! This is Black Beauty Official Vlog. Ang isang momshi. Ang isa kaisa-isang momshi ni Midnight Jen, always online. Ang aking kaisa-isang naging nakshi dito sa YouTube. Happy birthday, Nakshi! Happy birthday, Nakshi! Happy birthday, Nakshi! You know, Momshi is always here. Kahit wala kang paramdam sa YouTube, I can understand that. I understand you. Alam ko, nag-work ka na and very busy. Pero hindi mo pa rin nakakalimutan si Momshi. Lagi ka rin andyan pa rin na nakasupport. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng ginagawang pag-support sa aking channel. And then, syempre, sa pagbibigay mo sa akin ng love, sa pagkailangan ko magpalipad, andyan ka lang palagi. Thank you so much, Nakshi, at naiintindihan mo din si Momshi. Kapag need kita is andyan ka lang. And I thank God that I meet you here in YT. I get the best friend. I get the Nakshi. At wala na akong masasabi sa'yo. Kahit hindi mo ako masuportahan ng full support, kahit ako rin naman hindi kita masuportahan ng full support sa iyong channel. Pero nagkakaunawaan tayo, di ba? Because we love each other, we understand each other. Ayan, ay tanging wish ko lang sa'yo is a good health. Mag-iingat ka palagi kung nasaan ka man nagpupunta, nangangalakal. And God bless you more. Thank you, Nakshi, ulit. And I love you. You know, Momshi is always here. I love you, Mama Jup Jup. Happy birthday.
Hello, mega love shoutout po sa lahat. Dito po tayo ngayon para magbigay ng pagbati para sa isa nating kaibigan. Happy birthday sis Midnight Jen, and always online. Dito ako nag-alaga ng baby. Ayun. Happy birthday sis. And wishing you all the best. More birthdays to come and more good health and always take care sa iyong trabaho dyan and always keep safe and Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Yun, maraming salamat.
Hi, good day everyone. Mega love shout out to all. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday Midnight Jen, always online. Ayan, wish you all the best. Many more birthdays to come, syempre, and good luck sa iyong YouTube. More subscriber and more revenue. Ayan, enjoy life, enjoy enjoyin lang natin ang pag-YouTube at palagi kang mag-iingat at ayun, enjoy life. Happy birthday.
Hello, mega love shoutout to everyone. Bago kita batiin, pamangkin Midnight Jen, always online. Binabati ko muna yung team mo sa Midnight Team Support. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan dito sa White World. Sana yung araw na ito masaya ka dahil ito yung arawan mo, pamangkin. happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to come. Keep safe always and long life. Ingat ka lagi at salamat sa inyo kasi nakilala kita kahit hindi man tayo nagkikita, pero salamat pamangkin kasi ang bait mo at itinuro mo akong ninang. Yan, enjoy lang yung ating buhay, kaya ito yung awit ko sa'yo. Happy birthday pamangkin, happy birthday pamangkin, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yan, sana masaya yung araw mo ngayon. Stay beautiful and love you. Keep safe always. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone. It's me, Annalyn PH Vlog. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to all of you. Dito ako para batiin si Sis Midnight Jen. Sis Midnight Jen, happy birthday sa'yo. Wishing you all the best in life. Good health. Ayan. Laban lang sa buhay kahit maraming pagsubok. Yun lang. Salamat. Happy birthday again. Bye everyone.
AC88 lovers, bumabati ng maligayang kaarawan, Midnight Jen. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Have a great celebration.
Bago mo kami ilechon, bumabati kami ng happy birthday, Midnight Jen. May your day be filled with joy, laughter, and all the happiness you deserve!